So many buyers are looking for a great move-in ready home right now. Well, how about a 4-bedroom, single-family home on over a ½ acre of land in Silver Spring, Maryland, with a new roof, new windows, a huge walkout basement, plenty of storage, and a 5th possible bedroom suite in the basement? Here's one right here. Seriously, you got to check this one out. It really is a knockout. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Today I get to tell you about my fabulous new listing at 15605 Twin Valley Court in the Hammond subdivision of Silver Spring, Maryland. Let's check it out. Well, I don't know about you, but the first thing I notice when I see this gorgeous house is that new roof, all those new windows, and that fabulous new front door. We'll come back to that massive living room, but quick pit stop in the powder room as we scoot on through to behold this incredible family room with so much light from these skylights, tongue and groove wood vaulted ceilings, a wonderful wood burning fireplace, and there's a loft up there from the upstairs hallway. And you really do have to appreciate these new double French doors that lead out into the massive deck, which we will certainly come back to later. As you can see, this floor plan is perfect for entertaining. The kitchen features granite countertops, newer stainless steel appliances, gas cooking, a double wall oven, and recessed lighting. As you can see, it is absolutely full of light and leads beautifully into the separate formal dining room that has new bay windows. And rounding out this floor is the massive formal living room. Let's head upstairs. Here's another peek from the loft of that fabulous tongue and groove wood ceiling feature and skylights. Just gorgeous. Let's first check out the primary bedroom suite that I know you've all been waiting for. Well, here it is. This primary bedroom retreat is absolutely cavernous. Fresh paint, vaulted ceilings, tons of light. I mean, honestly, you'll have to figure out what you're going to do with all this space. I don't know, yoga space maybe? There's plenty of storage, as you can see in this huge walk-in closet. There's also a second closet and a sitting area. The primary bathroom features a huge soaking tub, double sinks, a skylight, and a separate shower. Now we can head into bedroom number 2 with a large window that overlooks the backyard. Now we can check out the hall bath, full bathroom, double sinks for your guests. Very convenient. And here's bedroom number 3 facing the front of the house. It has a huge window letting in tons of light, a very deep closet with double French doors. And here's bedroom number 4, another sun-filled room facing the front of the house, and another deep closet with double French doors. Now it's time to head to the basement. Now this is actually a huge walkout basement with the possibility of a 5th bedroom in this space right here. There's already an egress window and an enormous walk-in closet, and all you need to do is add a wall with a door. And after you do all of that, there's still plenty of room for your rec room and all your basement activities. Here's another egress window, which is wonderful for safety purposes, as well as a sliding glass door that leads out to the new paver patio and that fabulous backyard. Now, I'm sure you're wondering, how much storage is in this house? Well, you see a closet under the stairs and then into the storage area, tons of space, plus a rough-in for another full bath. There's that breathtaking composite wood deck that is lighted and overlooks the rest of your ½ acre backyard. It's pretty much maintenance free, and it runs the entire width of the house. So it really is something to behold. And there's another look at that paver patio below. As you'll notice, this home backs to the woods for extra privacy. And finally, I will leave you with a walk through the very, very close East Norbeck Local Park. It'll take you only 7 minutes to ride your bike here. and you'll be able to enjoy the playground, softball field, baseball field, soccer field, pickleball, tennis, and basketball courts. There is also an open and accessible shelter available to rent. Here's a pavilion that offers covered picnic area and bathrooms. This is a seriously beautiful 25-acre park that is right in your backyard. Montgomery County has provided over 260 miles of trails for you to use for walking, jogging, hiking, biking, skating, and enjoying nature with all these fabulous parks along the way. This park is located right on the Intercounty Connector Trail. So I really hope you enjoyed touring this amazing home as much as I did, and I hope you want to make it yours. Oh, don't miss the 3D tour and check out that interactive map. It shows all the nearby amenities and the assigned schools. So what'd you think? Pretty great home, right? Be sure to message me if this is a home you're interested in and you want more information. I'm Joie Ashworth. Be sure to like this video and follow me for more great homes and my adventures in real estate.